I am very happy to spread the word and introduce people to meditation. As it sounds, meditation is a word, but actually this is something that connects us with our subconscious, helps us get through the day, helps us be happier and just enjoy life better and use the tools what our subconscious offers us and be more mindful and more deep mindful and connected with our energy. Because our energy is the most subtle when we wake up in the morning and when we're shifting to sleep. And this is just a tiny little moment, is all over and but I'm tired and I'm not going to write it down. So meditation helps us to spread that tiny moment and use it. Use it to get ideas. Use it to get through the day. Use it to be better in every role in our life, because we have several roles. We are mothers, we are business owners, we are friends, we are children, we are everything. And there is so many things we need to do, what is a lot. Yeah. Really, truly a lot. And it's overwhelming, but to do it all because we want it all. I want people to have these tools, these tiny little tools, but you can take it out and use it with different situations. So Soham is a mantra meditation. Mantra helps us to calm the mind, like to replace the crazy thinking and uncontrollable mind, and it's just calm it down, replace it, and helps us to shift to rest. Because that's one and the most important thing what I believe in. Sleep is very, very important. And most of us has disorder or problems to shift to a restful sleep and have a really good overnight sleep. This is one of the most important. Like, I sleep 5 hours, it was okay. No, minimum 7-8 hours is mandatory. If you don't have that, you cannot get through the day. You fatigue, you can show all kinds of problems, so don't even go there. What we can do with the Soham, help us to shift to helpful, restful sleep. So everything starts with intention. Okay? So first and most, we set our mind, I want to have a good night's sleep. Okay. It's easy, right? We all want to have that. So our intention is set. We can help to create environment. This always helps with meditation and this always helps with sleep. Okay. So create an environment. I can use like essential oil. I really recommend lavender. Lavender has that agent to calm everything. Okay. And guys, when you have your intention and you're setting your environment, you tell to your whole existence, we're gonna do that, right? When you take out a book, we're gonna read it. When you switch your TV on, we're gonna watch news. So you have this like autopilot way, like, that's what we're gonna do. So help your sleep to say, okay, that's what we're going to do. So with the Soham meditation, what it does for us is calm your brain and set your mind for replace the crazy chain of thoughts with a mantra. Mantra is actually doesn't mean anything else, it's a gibberish words. So the Soham has two beautiful advantages. First of all is the mantra what helps your brain to calm down. Second one, it sets your breathing with a very deep and even rhythm. This rhythm is like, what you like to think. Maybe the waves of the ocean, calming, right? Or waves of the swing chair. Or maybe the wind, whatever. Choose your set of calming idea. It's free word, right? So use this agent, set your mind, create your environment, and think about your favorite thing. So the breathing is kind of like counting 2 in, counting out 3 or 4 out. don't make it difficult. Just it feels right, but try to breathe evenly. So whenever you say so, you say hum. So there is another trick. What you can do is set your environment, set your mind. You rest yourself into your pillow, in your bed, you get these things around you, and you think, I tell to your mind, I want to have a restful overnight sleep, and I want to wake up fresh, energized, ready for my day. All right, so take a deep breath and think about, I am going to go to sleep now. I want to have an overnight, deep, relaxing, restful sleep. And I want to wake up in time, energized, and ready for my day. So just deeply breathe in for 2 and breathe out for 4 and breathe in for 2 and breathe out for 4. And whenever just a thought passing your mind, just recognize, don't give any power of it, and let it go, and just replace your mind with the mantra. So just breathe in, so breathe out, hum, breathe in, so breathe out, hum. Another thought is passing your mind as you allow your brain, your body to relax. Just recognize and replace it with a beautiful mantra. So breathe in, so hum, so hum. Allow your face relax. Just feel the beautiful rest and relaxation rippling through your whole body. Your shoulder relax. Breathe in and allow your whole body sink into your bed, weightless. Relax. And just start to begin to repeating inside. So hum. So hum. So hum. So hum. So just feel you wake up energized, fully rest, ready to start your day. And come back, and whenever you're ready, just open your eyes. Hello everyone. So when is a thought comes, but you cannot stop. Don't try to stop and clear your mind. Is never gonna happen. So you override with your thought, and the soham is your actual thought now. What this creates this beautiful cleansing wheel in your head. Yeah. So the thought is just kind of like fading away. That's all. Personally, I don't believe in hard work. I believe in your best work. I believe in your intention and focus and kind of tunnel, I'm focused on this one and I'm doing my best work, but I don't believe to forcing it, because when you force it, you are tired. You cannot do your best work. So give yourself a few minutes, what I'm going to teach in your next meditation, to how to recharge your batteries and you can do your best work. And this is the whole entire concept with meditation, to always tune yourself to your best. Because you don't want to be anyone else, you want to be yours, you want to be in your top performance, sorry, my Hungarian. So your top performance, and that's what this kind of energy, different situational tools can help you.